We're back with another update on the construction site for the new medical education building in the Fort Worth Medical District. This time, Brooke Ruesch, the Director of Project Management at TCU, beat the sunrise in Fort Worth. And we'll share some exciting news about a part of the building where concrete is being poured that will be critical to our medical students and our faculty.
I'm here today and I'm in the middle of the teaching studio for the building. This space is an incredible area. It's going to fit up to 120 students, but it has a really unique feature that has a skyfold wall that comes down from the middle of the space that subdivides this to where you can actually have 2 classes going on at the same time if that function was ever necessary. But each room is supposed to fit about 60 students apiece. You can see that this space is about a 2-story height, which is going to allow us to have projection surfaces up on the 2nd floor. All right, and now let's go check out the elevators. All right, so we've arrived here at the service elevator. This one's actually going to be a little bit bigger and used for mostly maintenance functions. It's also going to have a very secure access to the anatomy lab floor. Our maintenance team is going to use this elevator to bring equipment up to the attic space, into the mechanical room. This is going to be the main passenger elevators for the building. There's going to be 2 of them right in the center of the building between the learning studio and the cafe forum space. So you see the concrete structure behind me here. This is going to be the shaft walls for the elevator itself. What we'll do is we'll pour the concrete shaft wall all the way up 4 floors, and then the elevator company will come back in and install their rails on the concrete walls. And this is going to be just an important functional part of the building. All right, so we arrived at the arcade. A few really important things about this function of the building. Not only does it achieve accessibility for the building itself, it also starts to tie in that TCU architecture into the near Southside area. If you can see the corner of the site to this corner of the site, there's about a 7-foot fall in elevation. And so our design team had to get really creative on how to create an accessible path from Rosedale up to the entrance of our building. And so this arcade creates this ramp all the way up to the front porch of the building. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour, but I really got to get back to work. Thank you, and back to you, Dean Flynn.
Well, thank you, Brooke. That certainly was pretty cool, and I love seeing your excitement about what we're doing at this site. So not everything at this medical school is meant to be work-related. We also want our students, our faculty, our staff to enjoy the neighborhood, enjoy their school, and a center for this is the cafe that we've also designed, which is not only meant to be a very nice, functional cafeteria equivalent with a wide variety of food, but it's also a place for people to meet, to spend time, to sit and talk, and to enjoy some time together in addition to the time that they're actually working.